Then this one yung power on. Saksak lang natin. Let's open the cover para makita natin gaano kalakas. So this is perfect for content creators, live sellers, online classes. So it has 3 modes. This is the natural white, the warm white, and the cool white. So perfect to sa mga products, no, or sa mga videos na gusto nating ma-enhance. Yan. So kahit yung quality ng phone natin may enhance if may ganito tayong studio.